How to enable or disable SmartThings always allow emergency alert on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connected devices. So now here, so after click on connected devices, scroll down to and click on SmartThings. So after click on SmartThings, click on menu. So after click on menu, click on this settings icon. So after click on this settings icon, you will see second option is notifications. So click on notifications. So after click on notifications, you will see always allow emergency alert is here. So if you want to disable always allow emergency alert, so turn off this button. You will see always allow emergency alert is disabled. So if you want to enable allow always emergency alert, so turn on this button. You will see always allow emergency alert is enabled. So you will enable or disable always allow emergency alert from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable SmartThings always allow emergency alert on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.